brakes, rear brakes on a Mercedes E350. See, it's all the way inside, all the way even. You could push it with the special, I don't have a special machine, but you could push it with your like screwdriver once it's inside. These are the old pads right here. I'll go back. See that the inside one, they're not evenly worn out because I need to put some loop inside here so they could go like equal. I'll show you guys. See, should move like equal. Okay, see, that's the old ones right here. Pretty bad, huh? And then that's the new one. You can see the difference. See the difference? Yeah, they're almost gone. So this is the outer one. So basically it goes here, but you see this hole? As long as you could touch it, it's fine, you know, because if this hole like gone, then yeah, it's time to change. And you touch it from here, from the side. If there's an edge here, then yeah, I mean, you need to replace them. I'm not gonna replace them. You could touch the hole. It's like the wear bar and the tire. See the wear bar? Like these tires should be changed because it's like even. See? So I'm gonna keep them. So I'm gonna remove the inside and I'll be back. Yep, this is the second one, and this is the inside one. Yeah, very bad, huh? Just put them the opposite so you guys see the difference. You see the hole right here? This is for the sensor, by the way. But the left-hand side usually doesn't come with the sensor, only the right hand. Once we go to the other side, I'll show you if we need a new sensor. I didn't buy another one. Actually, I just bought these from Amazon for 20 bucks. Believe it or not, Mercedes. Last time I paid 700 bucks with dealer. But they have great reviews. I'll leave some links in the bar. Here they are, back in place. They're a little bit tricky right here with the spring. I'm gonna play with the spring, but just push back basically. And the other one inside too. Now we're gonna loop these ones. I'll show you right now in a second. This is the one right here. And remove it. You see, like this. Just pull out all the way. Or here you go. See, comes out. You put some loop on this. Make sure you put the proper one. Don't put the red stuff because it's gonna be like muggy, and then you're gonna have the problem. That's what next you see. We're gonna clean this with WD-40. And then I'm gonna put some loops so they move evenly, so the pads, when they wear out next time, they wear out evenly. See these ones, they didn't wear out evenly. See, like this one is a little bit more, and that's because the spin is not moving as smooth, you know. Restop and ready to go. Let me show you right here. There you go. Just push. Here you go. You see? It's nice and tight. Just lubricate it. Move it a little bit. Like that. Beautiful. And the same thing at the bottom. I'm going to do right now. So the second one, the bottom one, just put it just smooth like this. And then once you get here, push. Boom. See? Just move it like this. Play with it. See? Beautiful. This one here, beautiful. That's it. Now ready to put back this caliper. I'll get back to you guys. Finally, my gardener is gone, so no more noise. Sorry about that. That's what's gonna happen. You see, you need to grab this with some, you know, special tools. I'll fix it right now. Let's show you back in place. I just use this one right here. That's it. Tight, you see. And then just move this one right here like this. Just make sure it's smooth and nice. Then we're gonna put back this. This is for the power. just plug it back. Remember, this doesn't have a sensor because it's the driver's side. Yeah, this is the other side right here. This is the sensor, passenger side. I'm gonna start working on this side right now. I'll let you guys know. Rotor looks good. Just like shake it like this. Should comes easy. Right there. I'm putting the new ones right now. Just leave it like that for now. Maybe I could reuse them. Not sure. Same thing. Just put the bicycle right there. See, and then just like that. Yep. I'm just using one hand, so here you go. I'll show you when I finish. To compress the caliper, I'm just using the screwdriver. You see, if you can see it, just push it like that. It goes all the way in. I know there's so many tools you could use. I just don't have all the tools. You see, it's all the way. It's going in. I don't know if you can see that. This is the inside one. Looks, yeah, very good. Almost like less than 50% I see, but I believe I could reuse this sensor because you see, it's not touching the rotor yet. It's only like 10 bucks. I just didn't buy it yet, so probably I'm gonna reuse it. That's it, you see. It's pretty good, huh? To get this light inside, this one has to touch basically. See how much we got still to go to touch the rotor. Let's see how it goes. I didn't have any lights in the indicator, the dashboard. I just want to change them, but we'll see. This is the outside ones, yeah. It's probably like 20%. Wow. So glad I changed it. Look, it's wow, damaged from here. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Alright, sensors back in. Pad is inside. Looped and good to go. Yeah, the old ones were pretty bad. Yep, that's pretty much it, you know, screwdriver, this stuff right here is just ½ millimeter. That's it, yeah, it's very simple. I'm gonna put the tire back and take it for a spin. That's it. Now we start the car. Pump the brake a few times, make sure guys, then start the car. No lights, nothing. Awesome. I'm gonna take it for a spin. I'll let you know guys.